In 3 weeks, we, like Christians around the world, will celebrate the greatest event in human history. We believe that on that day, our eternal destinies were changed. On Easter Sunday, we will begin to tackle two universal questions. What on earth am I here for? And does my life really matter? We believe what happened on Easter Sunday has something to say about those questions. Anybody who predicted his death and his resurrection and went out and did it deserves to be heard. And Jesus has something to say about why our lives matter and why we exist. So come on out on Easter Sunday at 11 a.m. as we begin to explore what on earth am I here for. But you don't have to wait till then. We will look forward to seeing you before that or on Easter Sunday morning.